it's a great honour and privilege, to win one of these. I suppose we've done a lot of work earlier on in the year to try and to make a good push for this, but when you coming onto today's game, the Cavan were going to be no easy pushovers, and so that proves. They played a great brand of football, and just luckily we got the rub of the green with a few goals there, and I suppose that was maybe the difference, in the end result. I suppose as you look at the scoreboard, I suppose maybe the 2 goals were the turning point in the game. If you look at it, both goals they were quite lucky in a way, if you know what I mean. There was nothing really too high tech or a great move about them, but I suppose maybe that was the difference. The 2 goals, Cavan played a great brand of football, had a very good purple patch just straight after half time. We knew we had to weather that, and thankfully we did. Tipperary is going to be a very, very hard game next Saturday. We played them in the seniors already down there in Thurles, and they put us to the panel of our collar, and we were just lucky to scrape by with a 1. Tipperary got a great result against a very hotly fancied Kerry team, so we're going to have to regroup again and give Tipperary every bit of respect that they deserve, and hopefully we'll give them a good match.
From watching Cavan and other games, that they seem to come out with early scores, 1-5, 1-4 in the first 10-15 minutes, so we knew we just had to pure lock tight in the defence, and we said if we can manage that there first 20 minutes, that our football will start coming down, so we had a very, very, very good effective game plan. We've been working on it for I would say about last 4 months, and it's really, really, really coming into effect now. We've been playing on a underage, say minors was the first time we came through. We had no luck on it. Then we came into a few of them are still minors, 1 or 2 of them are still minors there. They have another 2 or 3 years there. So most of us are still going. I would say 8 or 10 of us this year we've been all together for the last 4 or 5 years, you could say. So we've been Jim. It's all up to Jim. His game plan is very, very good, and he made us really work hard on it, and we did.
We've worked hard since we've come together, in December, and we've set goals for ourselves, and we didn't really get too far ahead of ourselves, to be honest. We set goals for the Armagh game, and we were lucky to come through that, and we set goals for the Derry game and came through that, and we ended up in a final, and I'm delighted for the boys that they stuck to their guns, and that they they kept driving on there when things weren't going well, and we got out the other end of it, and it's absolutely fantastic, for the players to think that you're going into an All-Ireland series now, a semi-final against Tipperary, which it'll be a very, very, very good game, because Tipperary are coming the same as ourselves. They're coming very hungry, and they're coming with a new team, and it's an exciting pair, and I feel, and I suppose we'll not talk too much about that tonight, but it's definitely really something we'll be looking forward to. Oh, absolutely. I mean, if you can go to Austin's Tack Park and beat Kerry, I mean, you're going well, and I think it was their 4th final in a row. So as I said earlier, there's a lot of hunger there. But give the boys a chance now to recover from this victory, and we'll sit down maybe at the weekend and start having a look at Tipperary and starting from there. But we'll take the same approach as we took in every other game, and that's to take every game on its merits, prepare for the game as best we can, and see where it takes us.